I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a 2x4. We're going to start off with our ice. Pour this into your glass, just like so. Then we're going to add in 2 ounces of whiskey. That's 1 and 2. And I'm using a jigger, J-I-G-G-E-R. It's a really handy tool to help you measure out your alcohol. You can get this at a liquor store or bar supply store. Then we're going to add in 2 ounces of Southern Comfort. Yummy stuff. Just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and shake this up. All right. We're going to pour this into a rocks glass with our rocks and all. And then right on top, we are simply going to drip our bitters. And I'm going to do about 3 drops here. All righty. Go ahead and add in your stirry straw. Give it a gentle stir. And there you have it, a 2x4. Cheers.